ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய. ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய. ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய. ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि।
रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यम् वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्।
சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यम् कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्य श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्। சீரொன்று தோப்பும் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேர
So we are going through Ragasya Ratnavali Hridayam. This is from sentence number 1. Vakyam 1. Ananya Jnana Virahat Ashuddha Devataganaha Brahmeshanade Sarve Swaswatantriyena Garhitaha. This also we have started. I told you the meaning also of this first verse. I think we have also seen this page 133. Yes. So the essence is whoever may be God, Yaman. Yes. So we have go to Vakyam 2. Yes. So we saw the word Nirapeksha Rakshakanaha Matavan. Now suppose we pray to gods. Suppose we pray to, gods mean in the sense the 33 crores, among the 33 crores, namely Indra and others. Again we say Brahma and even Shiva. So whoever it is, they will expect from us something else in return for the boon that they grant. That's the problem. So Nirapeksha Rakshakanaha Mata. Whereas Lord Shivanarayana is the only God, only Almighty, only head, who will not expect anything in return. தமிழ்ல சொன்னா பிரத்யுபகாரம் எதிர்பார்க்காமல் அருளக்கூடியவன் ஒருவன்தான், அவன்தான் சிவன் நாராயணன். So otherwise all other gods expect something in return. So So actually, Kalidasa says in his Raghuvamsa in the first canto, because just now we were referring to the point, namely subject, namely sacrifices. Only when people perform sacrifices in this world and then offer to the fire god or through the fire god for all the gods, all oblations, all offerings, all can say items of food, you can say. So they get satisfied and they return. How do they return our help? They return by rain. So Varuna Deva, the rain god, will give us the rain. The crops will grow plentifully and so on. So we will be happy with food and other comforts. So they expect us to perform sacrifices, and all the gods must be propitiated in the sacrifices through the fire god. Fire god is the carrier, as we know, the courier, the postman. So he takes the. So what I want to say is, all of us, whether when we help each other, we expect something in return. So Paratantra Chetanargalil ஆரேனும் ஒருவன். So we are all not independent. We are all dependent. So we need something from others. So we have to depend on others. So, but only one person is independent, namely Lord Almighty. So we are all conscious of ourselves. We know how to think. We have a thinking capacity, but we are all slaves. We are all subservient. We are all obedient. We should be obedient to others. So we are going to now Vakyam 2. Just now what I said is given in Tamil. ஸ்ரீமானான நாராயணன் ஒருவனே சர்வ ஜீவர்களுக்கும் தஞ்சம் என்றது. Only one shelter, only one succor, only one refuge, only one destination, only one aim, only one goal is Sriman Narayan. So for all the
சுவாமி அடியேன் ஒரு சந்தேகம். இப்ப நீங்க எது பண்ணி இது பண்ணாலும் உங்க விருப்பத்துல பண்ணி யாகம் வைக்க பண்ணா அது இவா பேர் சொல்ற வழியா அது பெருமாளுக்கு தான் போகும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஜெனரல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இல்லையா?
அது யஜ்ஞோ வை விஷ்ணு விஷ்ணுர் வை யஜ்ஞா.
அப்ப என் மனசுல என்ன தோன்றதுன்னா, பண்றவனுடைய ஸ்ரத்த டுவர்ட்ஸ் பெருமாள், பண்றவன் ஸ்ரத்த டுவர்ட்ஸ் வருணன், ஹிஸ் ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு தான் வருணன்ட்ட போறான். அப்படிங்கிற போது பெருமாள் இவனுடைய எண்ணத்தை தெரிஞ்சு வருணன் மூலம் அவனுக்கு கொடுத்துரு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாருன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
Right. By only grace of Lord, Varuna Deva gives us rain.
It is of his power or it is a direction from Swami?
Direction from the Lord. Because Varuna Deva also is not independent. He cannot take a decision by himself. So and so, the living beings, namely Jivatmas, are praying to the God, as you said, through sacrifice. And through sacrifice, all Antaryami of all gods is Sriman Narayana. And therefore, Sriman Narayana gives them the instruction that we must be blessed. And therefore, as you said, there is an agent in between. Intermediary broker is there. So the intermediary broker is dependent, is not independent. He cannot, of his own accord, voluntarily, he cannot do anything. For example, Varuna Deva will have to ask permission of Indra, the leader. Indra in turn has to ask Brahma. Brahma in turn has to ask Lord Shivanarayan. No, that's why it takes a lot of time. I was telling others, the Gajendra, the lordly elephant, had to wait for 1,000 years. And the problem existed for 1,000 years because the elephants thought, both the royal elephant and other elephants thought that they could save by themselves. Again, the thought is we have independence. When I say I have independence, then I must be able to save myself without any difficulty. But I am not able to save myself, and therefore we understand after 1,000 years that I am not independent. So that is a problem. So here also we do. See, though we say we understand completely Jivatma is different from our body. Okay, the soul is not our body. Our body is completely different from the soul in all aspects. But without the body, the soul cannot exist. So either it is Sthula Sharira or Sukshma Sharira. But in spite of everything that we do here, though we have the right attitude, namely right thought, the correct thinking is, we know that we are dependent on the Lord or somebody else at least. Who is that somebody else? He is also Sriman Narayana. That's what it is. When you believe somebody, when you rely on somebody, when you have faith in somebody, for example, another Jivatma, our friend, relative, family member, whoever it is. So again, the family member, even the family member, own family member, or relative, or friend, close friend, will help us only when he is directed by the Lord. And therefore, he is also not dependent. He is also not independent. And therefore, what we say in the previous paragraph, Vakyam 1 is, sentence 1 is, nobody else other than the Almighty can protect us, save us. So somebody is addressed here, Dvaya mantra. Swamin, O Lord, O Master. So Tava Ananya Sharanaha, we are now prostrating before the preceptor. We are falling at the feet of the preceptor. And we say, E Swamin, O Swami, O Lord, O Master, Ananya Sharanaha Tava. So who is our first master? Emberman Thiruvadigal Adahindrani. Ennuyat Tandalitavarai. Starting with this words, end it with Innamada Tirumahalodu, Tirumahalai Munnittu Emberman Thiruvadigal Adahindrani. So Emberman Thiruvadigal Adahindrani. So we are addressing straight away the Lord, the first preceptor, Sriman Narayana Swamin, added it that way. Sriman Narayana Swamin, O Lord Narayana, Sriman Narayana, I am shelterless, Ananya Sharanaha. I don't have any other refuge. So, Tava Charano Sharanam Yata. Therefore, I have come to fall at your feet. Sharanam is refuge, shelter. Adakkalam Tamil. Adakkalam. Tamil Tanjam. Adakkalam. So, Charano Yataha, I have come to your divine feet. Tava Eva, only one, your feet only. Tava Eva. Asmi Aham Achyuta. So, remember the mantra, what you call Charma Shloka of Sri Ramavatara. The second line says, Abhayam Sarvabhutebhyaha Radamyetat Vratam Mama. The first one says, Sakardeva Prapannaya. You surrender to me once. So Sakriti once, Prapannaya to the surrendery. Tava Asmi Ticha Yachate. You beg me, Pichayed, Kadar, Adu, weep over. Then we say, Tava Asmi. Tava Dasaha Asmi Nuda Salavanda. You need not say that I am your slave, I am your servant. Need not say that. But he says, Tava Asmi, I belong to you. Like Arjuna, Sakha, a friend. So you have 9 types of relationship with the God. So you consider yourself as one of them. Not all of them, just one of them. be a friend, be a wife to the husband, namely husband is Lord. Then be a servant to the master, Prabhu Sevakaha. So you know the 9 types of relationship, Navavida Sambandha. So Tava Eva Asmi. I don't belong to anyone else but to you only. Aham Achyuta. Achyuta. Hey Achyuta, O Lord Achyuta, one who does not let us in the lurch or who does not give us up. நம்மை கை நழுவ விடாதவன், நம்மை கை நழுவ விடாதவனுக்கு பேர் அச்சுதகன். So again, Bhagavad Gita, so full verse is available in the screen. Daivi Shesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mameva Ye Prapadyante Maya Metam Tarantite. Hey Arjuna, the word is not there. சத்தம் ரஜஸ் தமஸ் என்னும் முக்குணங்களாகிய என் மாயையை கடப்பதற்கு சத்திய சங்கல்பனாய் பரமகாருணிக்கனாய் எல்லா உலகுக்கும் அடைக்கலமாயுள்ள என்னிடமே பிரபத்தியை செய்ய வேண்டும். அப்படி செய்பவர்கள் அந்த மாயை கடந்து என்னை குறைத்து பக்தி யோகம் செய்கின்றனர். I think we have gone through this page also. Sorry, we have also gone through this page. We have gone through all this page. We can go to 134 very easily. Maybe one more quotation is there. Second line, Tameva Chadyam Purusham Prapadye Yata Pravritti Prasruta Purani. So when we go to Vaikuntham, there is no return. There is no return. So na nivartanti bhuyaha. We must search for reaching the Vaikuntham. Search for meaning, search for the methods to propitiate God, to pray to God. Once we go there, there is no return. So he is the primordial man, so Adyam Purusham. So this is the old method of doing. நெடுங்காலமாய் நடந்து வருகின்றது. So we give up our ignorance. So we go to the next page, 135. Yes. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata tat prasadat param shantim sthanam prapsasi shastra. It's a philosophical advice to King Arjuna, who is to fight with the people against him in the war, Mahabharata war. So he says, Lord himself says, Tameva sharanam gaccha, so go to refuge, go to him only as a refuge. Sarva bhavena meaning with a lot of faith, with all your accessories also. Namely, we saw prapatti, while we do prapatti, total surrender to the preceptor, what we call Bharanyasaha in our Sampradaya tradition. We must totally believe the preceptor. So sarva bhavena. So we must submit our belongings also. Belonging meaning the body is one belonging as we understand, as we misunderstand. We misunderstand that our physical body is our property. So that also we must submit. Then our what you call swam, meaning all our property, house, car, whatever it is, biggest property. Then you have friends, relatives. So you must take, while you go, when we say, while you go to temple, invite your family members on. So don't go alone, selfishly. Invite, suppose they come, you join, otherwise they go. So here, so Tat Prasadat, because of his blessing, Param Shantim, we get a lot of what we call tranquility of mind, that is peacefulness in the mind. Then Prapsasi Shasvata. The Vaikuntham is the destination. Then what are we? What are we? Samsararnava Magnana. We are all drowned in the ocean of life. Samsara Arno Magnana. Vishayakranta Chetasam. We have got a lot of desires of this world. Our mind is preoccupied or fully engaged with the desires of this world. The Vishnu Potam Mina, without the boat called Vishnu, beautiful word is Potam. Potaha meaning, there are two meanings for Potaha. Potaha means three meanings. Number one is Potaha means child. Potaha means child. So Potaha is a pole. So suppose you cut a branch of a tree and then the branch stem, the stem is called pothu, Tamil, pothu. அது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நடுவோம். We will plant the pole on the ground. That will grow. You take it from a big tree and then put it in the dug a pit and dig a pit and put it inside. Then add water, make it grow. So it will grow. Another meaning is BOAT. Kappal, chinna kappal. பெரிய கப்பல் இல்ல, சின்ன கப்பல், போட். ஸோ போத்தம் இங்கிலீஷ், POTA சான்ஸ்கிரிட், BOAT English. So Vishnu Potam Vina, without the boat of Lord Vishnu, a boat namely Vishnu, na kinchidasti parayam. There is no engagement for you. There is no busy schedule for you. எனக்கு டைம் இல்லை, வேலை இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. I have some other work, therefore I cannot think of Lord as boat. Because we are all drowned in the ocean. தண்ணியில் விழுந்து தத்தளிச்சுன்னு இருக்கோம் வாழ்க்கைங்கிற ஜலத்தில். அப்படி மேலே வரணும்னா ஒரு ஒரு பற்றுக்கோடுன்னு சொல்லுவா தமிழ், பற்றுக்கோடு வேணும். பிடிச்சிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஒரு யாராவது ஒருத்தர் காப்பாற்றுறதுக்கு ஒருத்தர் ஒரு கம்பையாவது நீட்டணும். அந்த கம்பை நீட்டினா அதை பிடிச்சிருந்தா மேலே வந்து அந்த கப்பலில் ஏறிக்கலாம். அது பிடிக்க முடியலன்னா நல்லா பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு மாதிரி கொடுக்கணும். மாதிரிலாம் உண்டு. பராயணம். இப்போ this verse number 2 is what we call translation of Kulasekara Alvar's Mukundamara. Baba Jaladhi Magatam Dustaram Nistareyam Kathamaha Miticheto Masmagah Kataratvam Sarasija Drishideve Tavaki Bhakti Reka Naraka Bhidi Nishanna Taraishyat Avashyam Baba Jaladi Gatanam Dvanda Vatahatanam Suta Duhitru Kalatra Prana Bharadhitanam Vishama Vishayatoye Majjatam Maplavanam Bhavatu Sharanam Eko Vishnu Poto Narana. I think this source must be a little different, but the same sentiment is echoed here. So Samsara Sagaram Ghoram Ananta Klesha Bhajanam Vameva Sharanam Prapya Nistaranti Manishinaha. Manishinaha, noble people, Nistaranti, they cross over, they just get off. Vameva Sharanam Prapya, getting you as a shelter. Sharanam Prapya. Where? Samsara Sagaram Ghoram, which is terrible ocean in life ocean. Ananta Klesha Bhajanam, which is the container of all kinds of troubles, endless troubles. Ananta Klesha Bhajanam. Bhajanam is vessel. We also call a boat a vessel. No? We call a boat also a vessel. So we want a vessel to jump off from another vessel. What is that vessel? The ocean. What is that ocean? Life. How is it? With endless troubles. Ananta Klesha. Klesha trouble. Lot of sufferings. So Sarvaloka Sharanyaya Raghavaya Mahatmane Nivedeta Mamshipram. This is from Ramayana, where Vibhishana said to Sugriva. So he shouted from the sky. So Sarvaloka Sharanyaya. Vibhishana believed Rama, Sri Rama, completely. He knew that Rama will protect even Ravana. He will not kill him. If Ravana surrendered to him, or had Ravana surrendered to him, then Sri Rama would have pardoned him, would have excused him, would have forgiven him, would then Sita would be handed over to Rama peacefully. Ravana need not have been killed. We say in Sanskrit, according to Ramayana, Ripunam apihi vatsalaha. He is kind to only even enemies. Indrupoi nadeva, Sannan Rama. And that's why Vibhishana addresses him as Sarvaloka Sharanyaya. He will give succor to, give shelter to, give refuge to all people, Sarvaloka, whether it is animal or achetana, insentient object, and so on. So Raghavaya. Now why Raghava? Why not Ramaya or Sri Ramaya? Why Raghavaya? Because Raghu was so philanthropic. So Raghu was so magnanimous. Raghu was so generous. There was an anecdote episode with regard to Raghu. The Kautsa Maharishi approaches him for a gift, for a presentation. And then Dhaumya is a rishi, I think, who demanded. Actually, the Kautsa Maharishi told the teacher, his teacher, preceptor, I want to give Guru Dakshina, teacher's fees, tuition fees. The teacher said, no, I don't want you to give me anything. But he insisted, I must give you Guru Dakshina. Then he said, give me 14 crores of gold coins. 14 crores of gold coins. Then the Maharishi had no other person to go. So he approached Raghu, King Raghu. King Raghu was the great-grandfather of Rama. Raghu had a son called Aja. Aja had Dasharatha. Dasharatha had Rama. So Rama's great-grandfather was Raghu. And therefore he was so generous. So everyone before Raghu's advent as a king, Raghu's becoming a king, Raghu becoming a king, or the later kings of that particular race were called Raghava. All of them. You can call Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna, Lava, Kusha, all of them as Raghava. Even Dilipa, his father, Raghu's father, Dilipa, can be called Raghava because it's a common name, family name, a popular name. It's a famous name. When we want to imitate somebody in quality, we can also name ourselves like Raghavaya. So again, he is giving an adjective, Mahatmane, a great soul. A great soul in the sense, magnanimous, generous, and so on, broad-minded, so that a demon like me, Vibhishana, should be given shelter. So Nivedeta Mam Chipram. You understand here, Andavan Sampradaya concept, namely Artha Prapatti. Artha Prapatti. Immediate solution to the problem must be done, must be seen. What is that solution? Quickly surrendering to the Rama, Sri Rama. Otherwise, Ravana will send other demons to kill Vibhishana. Vibhishana would have been chased by Ravana, with even Kumbhakarna would have been sent to kill Vibhishana, his own brother. So Nivedeta Mom Chipram. Chipram quickly. Mom, me. Nivedeta, please convey. Please convey my arrival. Now, so now whom should we approach? Whom should we? We already have the right thought, namely Sriman Narayana. When I say Narayana, I don't say Narayana. We say Sriman Narayana. Why say Sriman Narayana? Look at this word. Ityadihalipadiye, Patni Sambandha, wife related, Patni. Patni is wife. Sambandha related, Guna quality. The quality inherited from the wife. Patni Sambandha Guna. You can also say, because of the husband is a good man, because the husband is a good man, the wife is also good. So Patni Sambandha Guna, Vigraha, the figure of Mahalakshmi is congenial to bless the Jivatmas. Therefore, the divine, what you call Divya Mangala Vigraham, the divine auspicious figure of Mahalakshmi, is so convenient for the Lord to bless the living beings. So Vishesha, she comprises of better qualities than anybody else. She has more compassion. A mother, as a mother, she has more compassion, more munificence, more pity, more sympathy than the Lord himself. Parashara Bhatta in his Gunaratana Kosha says, Ramasya Goshti Laghu Krita. The party of Rama has been belittled that Sita won the competition. Who is more compassionate? Sita is more compassionate. The decision was Ramasya Goshti Laghu Krita. She has become a greater soul than even Narayana. If he is called Sriman Narayana, he is equal. If he is just Narayana, then he is. So Vishesha Vishishtana. Vishesha Vishishtana. Goddess is special. Goddess mother is special. So Vishesha Vishishtana. The Lord is associated with compassion only because of the presence of Mahavishnu. That's the meaning. Patni Sambandha Guna Vigraha Vishesha Vishishtana. Sriman Narayana. So number one, we saw Gita. Number two, Vishnu Dharma Uttara Purana. Please go to the page. Yeah. Vishnu Dharma Uttara, we say Samsara Sagaram Ghoram, we saw that. Then the third one is from Jitante Stotram. Jitante Stotram. Manishinaha, the Buddhimangal. Manishinaha. Unnaye Sharanamadainda. Twameva Sharanangataha. Samsara Sagaram Ghoram. Bhayankaramana Samsara Samudratai. Alavatra Tunbatai Tarudal. Ananta Klesha Bhajanam. These are these words. Ananta Alavatra Tunbatai Klesha Bhajanam. So we saw the 17th verse from 17th canto, Sarga of Buddha Kanda of Srimad Ramayana. Vibhishana says, Vibhishanam Upastitam. The second, there are two meanings for the word Upastitam. I am Vibhishana standing nearby. I have come to you. I have come near you. And then I am ready to serve you. That's the meaning of Upastitam. Beautiful meaning of the word. See, being near somebody doesn't mean you are serving him. Generally, we must be near somebody to serve. That's all. We must be helpful to others. Therefore, Upastitam is a word in Sanskrit which means standing nearby, not only standing nearby, helping, with a helping tendency. Serving as though serving a master. So for example, we take care of a child, we take care of a young child often for Upasthitam. So 136. So we have Narayanan Urvane. So remember the long adjective, Patni, Patni Vigraha, Patni Sambandha Guna Vigraha Vishesha Vishittanana Ram Narayanan. The next page. So Narayana Urvane Akinchanarayum, Sakinchanarayum Sarvajivaradu. Some of us have complete helplessness. Akinchanarayum. Akinchanarayum meaning we don't have any help from any quarters. Alvar said, Urilen Kani illai, Uravumat Toruvar illai, Radinen Paramamurti. So in such type of, I have no help from any place, any corner, any quarter. Therefore, Akinchanarayum. There are some people with some help, but some help is also limited. Sakinchanarayum. So who is that help? What is that help that we have? We know how to do bhakti yoga. We know how to have devotion towards the Lord. That means we have studied books. We know the method of bhakti yoga, the discipline called devotion. So we have already done what we call karma yoga, the discipline of action, duty. Then we have bhakti yoga. Then we have what we call jnana yoga. We have little knowledge also. Though very little, we have some knowledge. So that is called Sakinchana Raj. So for all the Jivatmas, Sarva Jivarul, Swabuddhi Adhina Sahakari Atirikta Apeksha Rahitamaha Anishta Nivrittiyam Ishtapraptiyam Pannuvavan. So we will get our problems solved Anishta Nivritti. So whatever we don't require will be dismissed. So Anishta Nivritti. So we will not have unwanted aspects. Then Ishta Prapti, then whatever we wanted will happen. Our problems will be solved. Our progress will be assured. Ishta Prapti. Why? How does it happen? Swabuddhi Adhin. He will give us the intellect. Buddhi, intellect, the thinking. So we will have good thoughts. So Adhina. Then that will help Sahakari. Sahakari means help. Suppose our thought also cannot help us, then Atirikta, beyond our helpful thought, Apeksha Rahitama. We must not expect anything from the Lord, except one. That one is Kainkari, service. So that is called Ishtapra. What we must ask for, what we must demand is service to the Lord. Kainkarya Prapti. That should become our favorable boon. So Apeksha Rahitamaha, without expecting anything, then you have Ivane Pattinavarai Oruvarum Badhikya Mattadapadi. Suppose we totally surrender to the Lord, then He will remove our problems. In the sense, He will not make us get affected. Badhikya Mattadapadi. Nobody will give trouble. Swabhavataha Sarva Samanai. So Swabhavataha, naturally, his natural quality is Sarva Samanai. He is equal to all. For example, he is equal to a Vidwan and Avidwan, meaning he favors both, namely scholars and fools. Those who do not know anything and those who know everything. He doesn't distinguish between rich and the poor. பணக்காரனா இருந்தாலும் ஏழையா இருந்தாலும் சர்வசமஹ. He is equal to all, equally disposed to all. Then status, sthiti, one who is in a high post, one who has no job, both of them will be treated equally by. So economically, socially, educationally, whatever, whoever be, whether he is one is plus or minus, he will not mind, he will always treat them. So it is his natural quality. And he says, Name Dveshyosti. In Bhagavad Gita, he says, there is no one who is an enemy to me. And also he says, there is no one who is very much dear to me. Na priyaha. But so let us, if we do not become the friend of Lord, at least we must not become enemy of the Lord. So even if Dvesharambadi, nobody will be allowed to be enemy to us. Then Saparadharanarai Uruvarum Rakshika. Now, people who have committed mistakes, all of us are committing mistakes, as we say. So some mistake or other, unknowingly or knowingly. Therefore, when we become culprits, Saparadaha means culprits. So when we become culprits, there is nobody else to protect us. Oruvarum Rakshika Mudiyadu. So you have the what you call Bhagavad Gita. Samoham sarvabhuteshu name dveshyosti na priyaha he bhajanti tumam bhaktya mahiteteshu chaptu. As you feel towards me, I feel towards you. Ravana, and because of Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Shishupala, Dantavaktra, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, all these are births of the doorkeepers, namely Jaya and Vijaya. They always felt enemy's attitude towards Rama, Lord Almighty. And therefore, actually they vented out their feelings because Shivan Narayana was his boss, all the time bossing over. Therefore, so they wanted to fight with the boss and remove the enmity, get off the enmity. Therefore, if we are devoted to God, God is devoted to us. That's why we say, Swannavannam Saida Perumal, Yatoktakari. When Alvar, Tirumazhi Alvar, asked him to come go with him, he went out. Then he came back as per the orders of, as per the request of Tirumazhi Alvar. Therefore, we say Yatoktakari. So when we have 100% devotion to him, he has got 200% love towards us. That's what. The 9th chapter, 29th sloka. So we have. So that is why we also, instead of saying Saparadhar, sorry, I wanted to say the no non-differentiation of status. We call it Saushilyam. Saushilyam. So there is no gender difference for the Lord. Whether there is a male devotee or female devotee, ஆணா இருந்தாலும் பெண்ணா இருந்தாலும், then among the 4 varnas, whether it's a Brahmin or a king, அந்தணரா இருந்தாலும் அரசராக இருந்தாலும், then 4 types of living beings, தேவன், விலங்கு, மனிதன், தாவரம். Look at the Tamil words. So Devaha, God, so விலங்கு, animal, மனிதன், human being, தாவரம், செடி, கொடி. There are 4 types of prani, we say, living being. So whether it is God in heaven, whether it is animal in this world, or human being in this world, or what do you call, the fauna, sorry, the flora. Ilangi is flora, means fauna, and flora, tavaram. Shady Kodigal, Maran Shady Kodi. Whatever it is, then suppose we say somebody is handsome, some lady is beautiful, some ladies are not beautiful, ugly, some men are not handsome, they are ugly. So, Arahan Kurupi and the Uruva Vetmi Kondo. Suppose there are good people, there are bad people, Satvikan Tamo Gunatavan, a well learned man, an ignorant man, an illiterate man, so whatever it is. So, all these statuses are not considered or differentiated by the Lord. The Lord has only one attitude towards. He doesn't give up a person because he is in low status. இழிவை கண்டு ஒருவனை பகைத்து நான் கைவிடுவதும் இல்லை. I don't antagonize anyone. I don't become enemy to anyone. உயர்வை கொண்டு ஒருவனுக்கு மிக்க மதிப்பு கொடுத்து ஏற்றுக்கொள்வதும் இல்லை. I don't honor somebody better than somebody else. Whether they are surrendering to my feet, that's all I say. சேத்தனர்கள் என்னை ஆசிரயிப்பது ஒன்றையே கவனிப்பேன். அவர்கள் என் மீது அளவற்ற, please go just a little down. Yeah. Anbu kondu, that's what I said. Bhaktya was there in Sanskrit. But we say, we can even have affection. We can love him. We can love the God. So, என் மீது அளவற்ற அன்பு கொண்டு, with a limitless affection towards me, என்னை வழிபடாவிடில் உயிர் தரிக்க மாட்டாமல். So this is what we said, Artha Prapatti. Vibhishana said, Kshipram nivedayata mam. Kshipram, quickly. Suppose I don't worship the Lord, I feel I am lifeless. உயிர் தரிக்க மாட்டாமல். என்னை வழிபடாவிடில். Suppose I don't salute God one day, that means தமிழ்ல சொல்றோம்ல, ஆழ்வார் சொன்னது, அதாவது நினைக்காத நாள் பிறவா நாளே, நினையாத நாள் பிறவா நாளே. உயிரே இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். நம்ம சேவிக்கவே இல்லைன்னா உயிரே இல்லைன்னு. என்னை வழிபடாவிடில் உயிர் தரிக்க மாட்டாமல். One who is very much what you call hurrying up to get the boon. So வேறு பயனை நாடாது. So அனன்ய கதிகி, வேறு பயனை நாடாது, என்னையே பஜிப்பவர்களாக என்பதையே கவனிப்பு. Whether they are devoted to me only, then அவ்வாறு செய்பவர்கள் எவ்வளவாயினும் என்னை போன்ற குணமுடையவர் போல் அச்சமின்றி சுகமாக என்னிடமே ஈடும். Those who believe me, those who are devoted to me, then they will have no fear. They will be happy. They will be always engaging their thoughts on me. So நானோ என்னிலும் உயர்ந்தவராக அவர்களை நினைத்து நடந்துவது. I will consider them greater than me. I will obey them. I will act according to their instructions. I will honor them. And I will keep what we call respectful attitude towards those living beings. First word will be again Narayana there, page 137. So Matadavadi. So how shall I not distinguish? எப்படி வேற்றுமை பாராட்ட மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு, கஜம் வா வீக்ஷ சிம்ஹம் வா. ஒரு சிங்கத்தை பார்த்தோ அல்லது யானையை பார்த்தோ அல்லது பிரம்மா ஸ்வயம்பூகு பிரம்மாவை பார்த்தோ, 4 தலை உள்ள பிரம்மாவை பார்த்தோ, 4 முகமுள்ள பிரம்மாவை பார்த்தோ மாற மாட்டோம். I will not change my attitude. எல்லாரையும் ஒரே மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவேன், ஒரே மாதிரி காப்பாற்றுவேன். ஒரே மாதிரி காப்பாத்துறதுன்னா என்ன? ஒரு யானை ஒரு சிங்கம் ரெண்டும் மோதிக்கிறது, ஒண்ணுக்கு ஒண்ணு பகைமை, எதிரி. ரெண்டையும் காப்பாற்றுவேன். யானையும் காப்பாற்றுவேன், சிங்கத்தையும் காப்பாற்றுவேன். இந்த வேடிக்கையா சொல்லுவான், அந்த கஜேந்திர மோட்சத்துல சொல்லுவான், முதலைய சக்கரத்தாழ்வார் அறுத்துட்டார் கழுத்தன்னு சொல்லுவார். அப்படின்னா என்ன? அங்க அங்க என்ன தாத்பரியம் என்னன்னா, முன்னாடியே சொல்லியிருக்கோம், எல்லா அவதாரங்கள்லயும் பெருமான் திருக்கையால கடைசி முடிவு வந்ததுன்னா மோட்சம்தாங்கிறது தெரியும். எப்போதுமே எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவா, பூத்தனா மோக்ஷா, சபரி மோக்ஷா. நல்லவளாம் சபரிங்கிற நல்ல கிழவி, அவளுக்கும் மோட்சம். பூத்தனா கெட்ட அரக்கி, அவளுக்கும் மோட்சம். அதனால எதுக்கு சொல்ல வரோம்னா, எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே முடிவு தான், மோட்சம்தான். அந்த சிங்கத்தையும் காப்பாற்றுவேன், யானையும் காப்பாற்றுவேன். அது பிரம்மாவா இருந்தாலும் காப்பாற்றுவேன். ஏன்னா பிரம்மா ஏதாவது மாட்டிப்பார், வரன் கொடுத்து மாட்டிப்பார். அதனால அவரையும் காப்பாற்று. பிரம்மா ஸ்வயம்பூகு, அவருக்கு பேரு ஸ்வயம்பூகுன்னு பேரு. லார்ட் சிவநாராயண only created him on the lotus on the navel. அவருடைய கொப்புள் மேலே தாமரை மலர்ந்து அந்த தாமரை மேலே அயனை படைத்தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. தாமரை மேல் அயனை படைத்தான். நாராயணன் நான்முகனை படைத்தான். அதனால பிரம்மா ஸ்வயம்பூகுன்னு எப்படி சொல்றது? ஸ்வயம்பூகுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. இங்கேயே இந்தியா பாரத தேசத்திலேயே ஸ்வயம் வியக்த கஷேத்திரம் 8 இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதை தவிர இப்ப அவாவா இஷ்டத்துக்கு எங்க ஊர்ல அவளுடைய கடவுள் ஸ்வயம்பூன்னு சொல்லுவான். ஸ்வயம்பூ தானா உண்டானது. நிறைய இடத்துல அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும். இந்த ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு, கஜம்பா வீக்ஷ சிம்மம்பா, ஃபுல் ஸ்லோகா இது அவைலபிள். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பிரம்மா ஸ்வயம்பூ என்கிற ஸ்லோகங்களின் தாத்பரியத்திலும், in the essence of quintessence of all these verses, பிரஹ்லாத சுமுக காக்க ராவணாதி விற்த்தாந்தங்களிலும் கண்டுகொள்ளும். Prahlada was a demon's son. Prahlada was a good son. Prahlada was a good devotee of the Lord. He was saved. சுமுகங்கிற ஒரு ராட்சசன் போது ஞாபகம் இல்லை. சுமுகன்னா குட் ஃபேஸ்ட் fellow. Then Kaka, Jayanta, Indra's son, the crow. Ravana. Ravana was also treated well by Rama. Rather, he wanted to spare Ravana from trouble. But Ravana refused. So that means his affection towards all the demon's son, Hiranyakashipu's son Prahlada, the Indra's son Kaka, crow, because 33 crows of God are dependents on Indra. Indra was the chief of all the 33 crows of gods. The leader's son committed a blunder, but still, again, in spite of it, the crow was excused. The crow was left free. So Ravanadi Vittantangal. So we must remember compassion of the Lord on all people, whether it is elephant or lion or Lord, four-faced Lord, Creator, and Prahlada, Kaka. Prahlada, the word Prahlada means one who makes others happy. Khladaha meaning happiness. Khladaha means eclat, E-C-L-A-T. Joy, overjoy is called Khlada. Prahlada is overjoy. Joy, extreme joy. Kaka, crow, Ravana. Ravana is one which means who will make others weep. Ravayati iti Ravana. So let us go to Vakyam 3 in the next session.
ராமானுஜதயா பாத்ரம் ஞான வைராகிய பூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத் வெங்கட நாதார்யம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம் பதிதிவசிரோபங் கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேசாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமக. வாதிதிவசிரோபங்க பஞ்சானன பராக்கிரமா ஸ்ரீமான் வெங்கடநாதாய ஸ்ரீரம் விஜயத்தாம்புவி சீரொன்று தூப்போ திருவேங்கடமுடையான் ஆறொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழிகள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேர ஓமளவும்
ரைட் கொட்டேஷன் சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல சமைக்கணும்னு
அதெல்லாம் ரைட் கொட்டேஷன் ஃப்ரம் ரகுராமன் ஜி டுடே. உண்ணாமல் பட்டினி நாள். உண்ணாமல் இருந்தா பட்டினி நாள், நினைக்காமல் இருந்தாலும் பட்டினி நாள். நல்லா இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி ஓவா, அதே மாதிரி இன்னொன்னு சொன்ன.
What Pasaram is it?
Pardon?
What Pasaram is it?
No, you mean
in this
Periyalvar Tirumozhi
quoted from Divya Prabandha.
Periyalvar Tirumozhi.
Nandri, thank you.
438 Pasuram 438.
Okay, and why did we quote it?
You mean if you don't think of Lord any day, that means you are fasting day. It's a fasting day for you.
Oh, nice.
அன்று நான் பிறந்திலேன் பிறந்தபின் மறந்திலேன் கூட ஒரு கொட்டேஷன் வரும். அது இவர் நான்முகன் திருவந்தாதியில வருது.
இன்னொன்னு கூட அந்த காட்டுதான் அந்த இன்னொன்னு முதல் கொட்டேஷன் கொடுத்தேன். அந்த பெரியாழ்வார் திருமொழி முதல் ஒண்ணு கொடுத்தேன். திருப்பி அந்த சாட்ல போட்டேன்.
கண்ணா நான்முகனை படைத்தானே காரணை கரியாய் அடியே நான் உண்ணா நாள் பசியாவதொன்றில்லை கோவாதே நமோ நாரணா என்று என்னா நாளும் ரிக் எஜுஸ் சாம வேத நான் மலர் கொண்டு உன் பாதம் நன்னானால் அவை தத்துருமாகில் அன்று எனக்கு அவை பட்டினி நாளே.
Suppose I don't worship on a particular day, that means it's a bad day for me.
ராமானுஜதயா பாத்ரம் ஞான வைராக்ய பூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வேங்கடநாதார்யம் வந்தே வேதாந்த தேசிகம்.
கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்ஹாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமஹ. சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
ஓம் நமோ